Hey guys, meme review. So, I got sent this one. I like this one because, again, it involves me, but in a way that's not, I wouldn't say like 100% great, because I accused you guys of not watching the lectures. I'm not sure I believe all of you. But, you say that you are, so I believe you. Some of you. Costanzo, I'm going to stop making lectures if only 5 people are going to watch it. Literally, the entire class has been watching them. And then, I don't know who this guy is, but look at that face. He looks so dejected. It's probably this gaming thing that he's wearing. It's probably why no one else will talk to him. Anyway, I like it. It kind of hits all the sweet spots. It's about me, but it's also making fun of something I did wrong. I'm not sure how I feel about that. A part of me likes it, but a part of me realizes this is Jason coming at me. So I'm going to give it an 8.6 out of 10 for just being overall great. In terms of coming at Costanzo, it's like a 7.5 in terms of like how hard you can come at me. So I like this one. Thank you, Jason.